the away compartments, but must be kept with you or in the seat pocket in front of you. Please also keep an eye on your personal belongings at all times. Dear guests, under Malaysian civil aviation laws, any smoking ban violation will result with an imprisonment of no more than 1 year or a fine of no more than RM25,000 ringgit or both. Thank you. Turn to page 5 for the selection of light snacks. Okay, we do have hot meals, very limited of the hot meals. We have black sauce chicken, veggie biryani. We have also still available nasi lemak. We have a very famous malatang hot pot noodle. We have porridge also, and if you're looking for the drinks, we have varieties of drinks. And for those looking for the AirAsia merchandise, you may turn to page 84, Muka Surat 84. Okay, some of the items we have aircraft models, kids fun box. We have a kitchen fridge magnet also still available, and the duty-free perfume, very limited, page 12. Okay, we have Hugo Boss, MCM, DKNY, and also iRally still available. So you can make your selection first before we commence our sales later. Thank you.
Puan-puan, kami akan menunjukkan ciri-ciri keselamatan yang terdapat di dalam pesawat ini. This is your seatbelt. Untuk mengekalnya, masukkan hujung logam ini ke dalam kepala tali keledar dan tarik hujung tali keledar untuk mengetatkannya.
To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap.
Untuk membukanya, tarik pelekap logam pada tali keledar anda.
To unfasten, lift the metal flap.
Jika isyarat tali keledar dinyalakan, anda mesti kembali ke tempat duduk dan pasangkan tali keledar dengan sempurna.
Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely.
Tarik corong oksigen dengan serta-merta.
Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you.
Sekupkan corong oksigen pada hidung dan mulut, pasang pengikat kepala dan bernafaslah seperti biasa. Anda mesti memakai corong oksigen pada diri sendiri dahulu sebelum membantu mereka yang di bawah jagaan anda. Pleasekannya, sarungkan dari kepala seperti ini, sambungkan klip ini dan tarik pita ini hingga ketat.
To use it, flip it over your head like this, clip on the waistband and pull it tight.
Semasa di pintu pesawat, gelembungkan pelampung keselamatan dengan menentap pita merah ini ke bawah.
At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm.
Terima kasih di atas perhatian anda.
Thank you for your attention.